So yes, so for those of you who want to be content creators who are going to be teachers as well, this is where I teach you how to do all of that. So whatever you see me doing now, I can teach you how to do this. How to make your video look like this and record at the same time that you are doing a live stream to your YouTube audience. So therefore, you can record a class, live stream at the same time, so that when the live stream is done, you have a copy of the video that you did that went to the live stream. That's one. And then the live stream itself is available for you at a later time. So that's the beauty. Like, so let me just tell you, the thing that I genuinely could not stand in the beginning of me using Zoom Pro. Every time I press start meeting, it used to just say recording in process. And I used to go, I don't want this recorded. Maybe because you might say something that you're not supposed to say, but yeah. So I'm always mindful of that. But also, there is a gift and a curse to that. The curse is that you might be cursing. Yeah, and somebody might hear something they're not supposed to hear, right? That's one. But the gift is that in the event, let's say, for example, we're talking about YouTube. Let's talk about YouTube. When you're done with that live stream on YouTube, when you try to download that live stream, it's not available until 24 hours. Oh, give me a second. Both of my alarms are going off at the same time. Oh man, why would you do that to me? Okay. I'm probably going to have to turn off all of my alarms for now. So let's try and do that. Wait, what day is today? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna turn all of them off. And then when I'm done, I'll just turn them back on. That's all. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if I can get my light back on. Right. All right. There we go. All right. Where was I? Yes. So I was saying one of the things that I couldn't stand about Zoom Pro is that they never gave you a choice. As soon as your Zoom meeting starts, they start the recording. And you're thinking, well, what if I'm not ready? What if I'm not prepared? So sometimes what you do is you press pause and then you get yourself together, then unpause and then make your presentation. You can do that. Or you can just stop. And then when you've gathered yourself, then now you can manually press record. And then from there decide, okay, do I do a live stream or do I not? This way you have your own copy of what happened on the live stream, as well as in the event that something happens to that particular recording, you can go to YouTube 24 hours later, download the entire live, and of course, you have that copy as well. So you'll always have two versions of the video that you've done every single time. One that you can make available nearly right away, and the other one that you'll get within 24 hours. So these are some of the things that we have to learn at We Still Alert, right? So, and right now, a lot of what I want to do, I mean, ideally, I'd love to have a physical location, but for right now, everything is going to be online until, the whole of it reach. And we can buy a place and things like that. But, for right now, it's a nice little, so I am conducting an online school on behalf of the teacher that wants to learn how to be more than just a teacher, but be a content creator and a teacher. So if you want to learn that, you go to We Still Learn, and those lessons will come from yours truly. Right? And that's all there is to it, right? There are other things you can do. You know, you have the whiteboard feature. Now I have this whiteboard, which is fine. But what if you don't have the physical? Then you have the digital whiteboard. And I personally, I'm talking about me. I like the classic whiteboard. The new whiteboard, I don't like it. I don't fancy it at all. Don't like it. Classic whiteboard, that's for me. That's for me. No, I don't know if you are familiar with this, but there was a time when Sony as a company, they were launching the PlayStation 3. And they had a sort of a prototype of what they were going to release as the new controller for the next generation console at the time. The thing literally looked like an Alienware boomerang. And everybody, including their grandmother, was saying,